Namaskar everyone, this is Shivangi Khangarod. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply eyeshadow. So this is going to be a detailed video of what products, what brushes you should pick for your eyes, and what eyeshadow palettes would I recommend you to use. So before we just get into the video, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and click on the ring bell button. In this way, you will get notified whenever I will be posting a new video. So if you want to see the right way, then please keep on watching. So starting off with the video, I would suggest you to have first a good quality brushes, because that's where the half of the game will be done if you have a good brushes. These are 3 brushes. You can see first is actually for the definer. The second one is when you are using for like increase any product, you have to blend that out properly. And the third brush should be small tapered blending brush. So this one is from the Sigma E45 brush, and it's from Zoeva 227, and it's again from Zoeva, and it's in 229 brush. So these 3 brushes, if you have in your kit also, there will be no problem to blend your eyeshadow properly. Now the 2 additional brushes are, like, some people don't want to make their hands dirty, so for that, cutting the crease also it can be used, and for the highlighters to be placed on the middle of your eye, you can use this brush. It's amazing and it has a good volume, and it's again from the Sigma, a soft focus shader E52. And the second brush, if you want for your wing eyeliner, like most of the people doesn't ends their makeup without just applying liner, so this one is the best eyeliner brush. It's from Zoeva and it's in 317 brush. So yeah, this is all for the brushes. Now the second question is, what eyeshadow palette should we go ahead and buy? Like, if you will ask me, I would say that go and buy this one palette. Why? Because first of all, I'm not into suggesting you to buy an separate nude eyeshadow palette, because if you buy an eyeshadow palette that has 3 to 4 bright colors, first of all, if you will try to apply them, you will get a confidence to go ahead and be out of your comfort zone and then use colors for your eyes. And the second thing is, why you are investing on the nude eyeshadow palettes if you can get those colors on your palette which has 3 to 4 bright colors. This palette has each and every color, from brown, from nudes, from pink, from golden. If you are a beginner, if you don't know what eyeshadow palettes, I will say that it's pigmented also and it's good to use. Now if you want not that much big palette, it's kind of palettes which has 4 colors in it, I would say that buy this Note Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. It like, you can search for more colors, but this is my favorite and it's in the 05. So now let's just start with the application of our eyeshadow. So the first step is to apply a base for your eyes so that the color should comes out more, and for that I'll be using this Oriflame concealer. It's in the beige. Now you need a concealer buffer brush, and it's from the Zoeva. Okay, as I've already applied a base for my eye, then I will find out the color which is to be applied on my crease. Like normally you see a lot of people used to first go and jump on the brown color. Why? Because we have to match with our bronzer what the color we should apply. You used to see some people used to apply a little orange shade also. That's just because they have in the bronzer some orange shade, and that's why they are choosing first for their crease. Using first a good crease brush. So first I'm going to use this white shade, and then I will use this orange shade right here with the same brush. As you can see that I'm just trying to make small round circles and try to blend that color properly, and then going to use light brown shade to give more definition, and then using a dark brown shade to give more definition at the outside, and you can use the same brush. So I'm taking 2 to 7 brush When you are using the brown shade, do not try to apply that color above the, like above you have a bone right here. Do not apply that brown color above that. Just try to blend that color in this space only. Now I will take again more brown, darker brown shade. And then I will take a black shade, like a hint of black shade, to just give more definition. And then just try to place it on the outer corner. And the second most important thing is try to hold brush in a proper way, and do not just hold it like this and then place, because if you will try to exert more pressure, that color will not blend out properly. You can see the difference. So as you can see, I have already done my this eye. If you want to cut out the crease, you can use this brush, put your concealer and then cut the crease, and then with the same brush you can apply the highlighter, like the shades which has glitter into it. But I'll be using with my fingers, and I'll be using this shade right directly to my eyelids. And then you can use gloss. Use a clean brush and then just blend the crease, like you know where your crease is. Actually you can put the brush like here, and the gap which you see right here is your crease. So you have to blend those colors properly. And then you can use your eyeliner. It's from the Wow Girl. And try to use the flat brush, dip it into some black and brown mix of that shade, and then just where you have applied your eyeliner, try to apply slightly above it and then blend it out. And then I'm using this tapered brush. It's from Sigma. It's an E45 brush. It's amazing to blend your colors. Now for your inner part, you can use the white shade. And when you are applying this shade, try to first put the brush in here and then just follow that stroke like this. So from the starting, your eyes will look great. And then the colors which you have used, like brown, dark brown and then black, follow under your lower lash line as well. And that's all. Then using this mascara, it's from L'Oreal. And yeah, the most important thing is I would suggest you again to have a good eyeshadow palette that has a good pigmentation, that has a varieties of colors, because until and unless you will not use the bright colors for your eyes, you will not get confidence in you, because you don't want to be an artist to just do this kind of makeup. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Until then, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.